2010 Audi Q5 3.2 engine misfire code P0300, P0301. I found that the injector was stuck open and some are leaking gas. To disconnect the few injectors, remove 12 of these bolts. Disconnect this vacuum hose here. Disconnect this wire connector here. Disconnect this wire connector here. Disconnect this screws here. Disconnect this screws here. Disconnect this wire connector here. Disconnect this wire connector here. Disconnect this wire connector here. Pull this up. Bring it to the side. Disconnect the throttle body. There's 4 screws here. And back here is a piece of the hose. This black one here. There's a screw to hold it. Remove that screw and pull the hose out. So this is the injector that was stuck open. To remove the injectors, take a screwdriver and bend the tab back on both ends. Once you bent this tab back, you can pull this round clips out. The trick to pull the injectors out, use a vice grip and this puller. Once you finish taking all the injectors out, make sure you lubricate all the few injectors O-rings, top and bottom, and also all the wire connectors and hoses that you disconnect. That way you can put the parts in easier, because these are very fragile parts. It's typical German part. They make it so easy to break.